Hello, this is John Klesnick with Bonnet Pro. I wanted to do a quick video for liquid lava as a spotter. So we're going to open this up and take our liquid lava product, and we're going to use it full strength as a spotter. And I wanted you to see on this floor here, this is a heavy scraper, and this is so much here I can actually scrape this off the floor. So if we look at the amount of material here, this is really caked on. So what I want to do is I want to put this on in a couple spots just to show you the power of this. Now I'm going to take a scouring pad and we're going to work at this. And this isn't your normal stuff that you would see on a carpet. This is 53 years of caked on machine shop soil that's been built up on this floor. You see how that's dripping out of there already. So this is dissolving and emulsifying this with this Nanomax based formula. So the small micro emulsion particle size can get in and break up stuff. And if this can start to remove this kind of crud off of a machine shop floor, imagine what it's going to do on a little bit that's built up on the face fibers of your upholstery, or I'm going to let that sit another second, or your carpet and your floor coverings. So this is typically a 1 ounce per gallon product. You might go 2 ounces per gallon as a pre-spray. This is a lower pH, so it can be used in residential and commercial environments. If you wanted to add oxy to it, you could add Oxyol, 14% stabilized peroxide from Bonnet Pro, or red lava, which has even more grease cutting ingredients that it would add, plus sodium bicarbonate. So give this a little bit more rub here. And again, we were peeling this off with the ice scraper. It's just gooked on there. You're not going to get a carpet that's this bad. So let's give that a little scrub and a little wipe and see what that does for us. And that's taking that down to the bare floor. Again, since this is so thick, you're not going to get this in just a few seconds like we're doing, but this will dissolve through it and get through it and take you down to a very clean surface. So again, if I were to take the ice scraper here, where we just were, I can literally peel layers of this off, scrape it off with the scraper. There's that much of it there. So you're not going to get anything near like this on your carpets. So liquid lava has excellent power, plus it has AFT and resoiling properties. The functional protein is going to help you, it's going to help block oily binders and biofilms on your fibers for a better clean, and a clean that's going to last longer. And that's historically been a problem for hot water extraction with rapid resoiling, but the AFT is a new technology that'll correct that. Hope you liked the video. We're going to be doing more, and look forward to serving you in the future.